Okay, so finally the last component for our ADAS model. Okay, this is the LRAS curve. And so the LRAS curve represents long-run aggregate supply. So now it's aggregate supply, but in the long run. Okay, so what do we mean by that? So it's basically a curve showing the quantity of goods and services that are provided by the households, the firms, and the government at a given price level, but now in the long run. Okay? So remember, relative to the short run, what do we mean by the long run? Okay, so now instead of it just being output prices that are flexible, it's going to be the input prices that are flexible as well. Okay, so what does the LRAS curve look like? Okay, so the LRAS, if we go to draw it, okay, it just looks like this. Okay, so the LRAS is essentially just a vertical line going upward. And so what does this mean? Okay, this means that the LRAS does not depend on the price level. Okay, it no longer depends on the price level, because what happens now, as opposed to the short run, where output prices would go up, but then the input prices would stay fixed, now they're just both going up together. Okay, so as opposed to aggregate demand, where there was a negative relationship, as opposed to short-run aggregate supply, where there was a positive relationship, now we have no relationship between this, and hence it's a vertical.